Hey there, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll show you how you can send a Gmail from your phone. First of all you need to do is go and tap to the Gmail app icon that's on your phone. So if you are already logged in, this page will open up. So from there you just need to go and click to the compose icon. It's in the bottom right corner of the screen right there. So once you reach this page, it will open up the new message window like this. From here, just type the email address of the person to whom you want to send an email. Typing the email address. So tap the subject text box to enter the subject of your email. So afterwards, all you need to do is go and tap to the compose email part right here. Type in whatever you want to use for your email. So if you want to attach a file to your email, all you need to do is go and click to this part on the upper right hand corner of the screen. Just go and tap there. Attaching one PDF. Once this is done, all you need to do is go and click to the paper plane shaped icon in the top right of the screen right there. So that's how your mail is sent. As you can see, the email is already been sent. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe.